Good afternoon, this is Dan Howe, PTI Securities and Futures, coming to you for the daily wrap-up of Tuesday, August 23rd. Overnight, we had a relatively wide range. We had a 27-point range in the S&Ps, which is kind of typical. We've been having very wide ranges overnight. Fundamental data today, all was bad. Richmond Fed came in worse than expected. The housing data came in worse than expected. And the two-year auction, even though it came in with solid demand, came in with a record low 0.22 yield. Despite that, we opened up and we went up quite a bit, but the only little dip we had during the course of the day is when the earthquake hit the East Coast. And contrary to popular opinion, we felt it pretty big here in Chicago. Earnings news today, the only one of note was Heinz came in slightly better than expected. The only one of note coming out after the close today would be Petrobras, so we'll see how that goes. But a very, very solid day, and we closed pretty close to our high. The SPX closed up 38 to 1162. The Dow closed up 322 at 11,176. The NASDAQ closed up 83 at 2,127. The 10-year note sold off today, so the yield rose to 2.13. The dollar was weak today, down 0.43, 73.82. During the course of the day, the entire talk was about what was the gift we were going to be given Friday from the Fed out in Jackson Hole. So kind of hope we're right, because we're starting to build some pretty big anticipation that the Fed's going to do or say something that's going to be positive for the market. Coming up is the durable goods tomorrow, which will be the only real big fundamental news coming out tomorrow, and the GDP will be coming out Friday. Other than that, all eyes are on the Fed Friday afternoon.